Welcome to Razorpay. Razorpay is the easiest way to accept and process digital payments in India. In this video, we will learn to integrate the Razorpay payment gateway with Gravity Forms on your WordPress website. Before we begin, you must complete a few steps. Let's go through them one by one. Visit razorpay.com and sign up for an account. Provide the relevant details and complete the sign-up process. Log into the Razorpay dashboard, navigate to Settings, and generate the API keys. Save the API keys in your system. Ensure that the Gravity Forms plugin is installed on your WordPress website. Open the Razorpay Gravity Forms plugin document to start the integration process. Integration steps. Install the Razorpay Gravity Forms plugin. Configure the plugin settings. Create a Gravity form. Add the Gravity form to your website. This video shows how you can accept payments using the Razorpay Gravity Forms plugin on a locally set up WordPress website. If you are a WordPress business plan user, you can skip step 1 and directly install the plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Step 1. Install the Razorpay Gravity Forms plugin. In the integration document, click the link to download the plugin. Click Add New. Click Upload Plugin. Click Choose File. Select the Gravity Forms zip file and click Install Now. Activate the plugin. Once it is activated, it appears on the list of plugins. Step 2. Configure the plugin settings. Click Settings. Enter the Razorpay API key ID and secret that we generated on the Razorpay dashboard. Ensure that the payment action is set to Authorize and Capture. Next, we will enable webhooks. To do this, select the checkbox. Next, copy the URL and add a webhook secret here. Click Update Settings. Now, click the Here link to open the Razorpay dashboard and configure webhooks there. Click Settings and go to Webhooks. Click Add New Webhook. Here, paste the URL we had copied from the WordPress dashboard and replace localhost with your domain name. Enter the same secret that we had provided in the WordPress dashboard. Enter the email ID to which alerts should be sent. Select the Payments and Orders events. Click Create Webhook to save. This completes the webhook configuration. Once your account has been activated, configure the webhooks in live mode. Step 3. Create a Gravity form. Navigate to Form and click Add New. Enter the form title and click Create Form. Next, we must configure the Razorpay feed. To do this, click Settings and then click Razorpay. Click Add New. In the Feed Settings page, select Products and Services as a transaction type. Click Update Settings. Now, let's add more details to the form. Click Edit. Click Pricing fields and select Product. Here you can add details such as the product name and price. Click Update to save the changes. Step 4. Add the Gravity form to your website. Navigate to the page where you want the form to be added. Click the plus icon to add a block. Select the Gravity Forms icon. Select the form that we had just created. Click Preview and open the page in a new tab. Enter the quantity and click Submit to view the Razorpay checkout. This completes the integration. Let's test the integration by making a test payment. Open the page, enter a quantity and click Submit. In Razorpay checkout, enter your email ID and phone number. Select a payment method. On payment success, the payment ID and the order ID are generated in the response. On failure, the customer is asked to retry the payment. You can see the payment on the Razorpay dashboard. Go to Transactions and Payments. Click on the payment ID to view the details of the payment. The integration was successful. Once your account is activated, go to the Razorpay dashboard and generate the live mode API keys. To start accepting payments from customers, switch the test mode API keys with the live mode API keys. In case of any queries, you can contact the Razorpay support team right through the Razorpay dashboard. Thank you for watching this video.